than I ever thought. And the dogwoods of Virginia are blooming in my heart. Oh, but if you ask me which I choose, I will always say I choose to be where you are, 'cause you're my favorite place. Just a change of scenery, different time, same air I breathe, with a lot more humidity. Oh, we're changing like the time. I thank God each night that you get to lay beside, under the Texas sky. If we ever moved to England, Mom would have a fit, but we could see the Windsor Castle, try out fish and chips. I'd like to catch a flight to northern France, sip some nice champagne. Oh, and when we've seen all the world, you're still my favorite place. Just a change of scenery, different time, same air I breathe, with a hot and sticky breeze. Oh, we've had our lows and highs, but I thank God each night that you get to lay beside, and I'll follow you. You are the wings of my flight, and I'll follow you. My home is right by your side, and I'll follow you. I'll be forever your bride, and I'll follow you. Love finds us here tonight, under the Texas sky. Different town, same you and me. Just a change of scenery, different time, same air I breathe, with a lot more humidity. Oh, we're changing like the tide, but I thank God each night that you get to lay beside, under the Texas sky.